Once you've developed your product or service, you need to market it. NewBusinessMarket.com was developed in order to help you accomplish this important task. Marketing and sales cannot be accomplished with a one-size-fits-all solution. As a result, this website was designed to provide you with not one, but 4 supercharged marketing vehicles that can give you the speed and muscle to roar down the business highway to success. Let's take a tour of our stable of marketing solutions, each one designed to fit your vision of how you want to sell your product or service. Only you know what marketing vehicle or combination of vehicles will give you the most timely, efficient, cost-effective, and profitable ride to where you want to go with your business. One marketing solution NewBusinessMarket.com offers is a listing site to find a product distributor. For some companies, using a product distributor to transport, store, and market their product is the best way to go. Selling a product is a daunting task. There are so many moving parts. Transport, storage, sales, service, billing, and collections, to name a few. It can take years to build up the necessary infrastructure in order to get your product in retail stores throughout the country. As a result, teaming up with a product distributor may provide you with the fastest route to business success and profits. NewBusinessMarket.com can help you find a distributor that can most effectively market your product. Other companies want more control of the sales and marketing of their product or service. If this is your desire, NewBusinessMarket.com can help you find sales agents or sales agencies that can accomplish this important task. In this listing site, you can give a preliminary pitch to potential sales agents and sales agencies. This pitch can contain pictures, videos, and narratives to persuade agents to carry your product or service. Sales agents or sales agencies also advertise their services on this site. Maybe you're interested in either franchising your business or buying a franchise outlet. For many companies, franchises have provided a winning strategy for rapid growth and increased profits. Franchises have also given many people an opportunity to own a successful business that turns out income that dwarfs what they were making in their former 9-to-5 job. NewBusinessMarket.com can be used to either list your franchise opportunity or to find one. The internet is becoming the go-to source for information and for buying products and services. For most companies, this important marketing vehicle cannot be overlooked. NewBusinessMarket.com can help you find affiliated marketing solutions, banner advertising opportunities, and internet marketing sites that can help you sell your product or service. Our affiliate listing site, WebTrialOffers.com, can also be used to find buyers who are actively searching for web promotions. These people are motivated buyers selecting from categories of products or services, entertainment options, and website content. On this site, you can present the benefits of your product or service using narratives, pictures, or movies. Coupons can also be offered.